Welcome in, family. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Okay. We seen it. We rejected that opening week gap, but right now, longs are kind of stepping in. Trump did his little talky talk. So I think he might still be talking. I'm not sure, but the market's responding. I'm looking longs today, I think, guys. I'd like a pullback in towards that 100 price, but for the most part, I want to see an extension to the upside here. We'll see if we can find one. Work, my guy. I never doubt you're going to be first, man. Truly appreciate it so much. Let's get it. Let's go. Buying the SPX 500 since 9 a.m. Yeah, I'm looking long too, King. I think we're going to the upside here. I love it. Hope it plays out strong for you. I love it, King. Let's get focused. Let's get paid. May it be a blessing day. On G, what up, King? Welcome in, brother. Might be the biggest. Might be the largest trade he's taking right now. Come on, work. I believe, King. ONG, welcome in, King. I'm liking a pullback towards these 100s for an attempt. Obviously, it's going to be a little bit towards the lows, but, man, we kind of swept through this buy side already overnight, tapped into overnight high. New range has been set. Wait for an extension back towards this VWAP, the 150s. We'll see what this day plays out as. May this day be blessed for real for everyone trading. Let's go, work. It will be, King. Brom, let's go, baby. Welcome in, King. Let's get paid today. W work for sure. Man's hitting his biggest trade potentially right now in our faces. Let's do it. We need 40% more, family. 40% today. Get these accounts closer to past. Sausadelic. Good morning, King. Oh, nice stretch. Caleb's Worth. Let's go, King. Welcome in, brother. Appreciate you for stopping by. Pat, my man. Mad Max. Good morning, Kings. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. Opportunity. We've seen it. We rejected that opening week gap above, which is kind of wild, right? Everybody had their eyeballs on it. Everybody. Where is it? Right here. Look how fat this gap is. Everyone was looking at it. Still are looking at it, of course. But yesterday we rejected it. Came all the way back down. Opening print price held us. Got some extension towards these 25.4s. And then overnight, or the rest of the day, we just sold all the way down to the lows. Wild. Held the lows. Market opened up. We came back in towards the balance. We now tapped into the bottom of the range, found the support level, rejected that again. So we'll see what we get here. Here to live. Alfie, good morning, King. Let's go. Here to live. I love it, King. Here to learn. Let's go, Caleb. We're going to learn as much as we can, King, every single day, buddy. Appreciate you for stopping by. Let's get it. This is how we do it. Show up every day, consistently, same time frame. Eventually, you'll get paid. Nice demand zone just created. Higher time frame. I'm still bearish. Demand zone created in the higher time frame, still bearish. I like that, Pat. NASDAQ opening up now, pulling into the VWAP. If we get a pull towards these 110s, guys, I'm going to take a try at it. Good morning, Nazi, to the 50K. Careful, gang. Trump is on the mic. Trump is speaking still. Good morning, Corey. Welcome in, gang. Let's go, King. Let's get paid today, guys. Volume just came in. Overall, feeling pretty bullish for the most part today. Chart says down, but we have reasons to assume we could find some support here, right? Sold off all day yesterday. Gonna find some reaction, of course, eventually. Excuse me. Let's get focused. Let's get paid, guys. All we got to do is our best. It's all we can do. Dun, 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 dun. If we get a pullback towards these 110s, guys, I'm going to like it for a long opportunity. We have an hourly imbalance created. Pull back in towards it, towards these previous lows. Could be interesting. Could offer some opportunity. For the most part, though, Pat, you're not wrong. Sellers are clearly stronger right now. Here comes the VWAP again. Trump's still on the mic, so be cautious. We swept through overnight highs already, rejecting it pretty strong right now. Also, the price that we rejected is a pretty nice spot of previous day balance. Bounced off it twice. Tried to hold it. So, sellers clearly stepping in right now. Getting this back towards the VWAP. That's an official VWAP tap. Burst, chilling this apartment. Family, there's already 26 people watching. It means so much. Let's go ahead and smash that love button. Try to get us towards that 30 like goal. 30 likes per stream means the most. Appreciate y'all for stopping by, trying to learn as a community together. Here comes the VWAP. Like I said, here's that gray line is the daily opening print price. So above it, we start printing bullish, below we're bearish. The hourly candle's kind of getting a decent little wick on it, but I would like a pullback towards these 110s for some continuation. Brr, I'm chilly in here. Chilly in this apartment. I gotta get a space heater. The EMA is so aggressively above the VWAP that I still want to be patient, guys. See if we can get an opportunity back towards these 110s. The reason I like the 110s is we have this hourly imbalance, but honestly, at the same time, if we auction there immediately, it's going to be kind of a gross rejection here from the buyers. They're going to reject that price yesterday, so we could be looking for some more sell side right now. Let's be patient. Let's see what we can do. No reason to rush into anything, guys. The market's only been open for 3 minutes. Let's find a good spot, get paid. Just got to be patient here. Find a good spot. At the end of the day, that's our only that's all we got to do. Nasdaq's trying to bounce off this VWAP and this gray line, which is opening print daily price. Again, above it's starting to start printing bullish. Let's look at our daily candle real quick just to get a better idea. Pretty ugly looking. Obviously, everyone sees this big gap that we left behind. But for the most part, if we start finding some selling, I mean, we can go see those 24.9s at the end of the day. It's pretty gross candle pattern here on the daily chart. So let's make sure we're not FOMOing in anything unsatisfying, unstrong. Take our patience. We get paid by being patient and disciplined. Nasdaq does look like it wants to try to find some support at this VWAP. I think that's going to be an obvious spot to find some buying. Opening print price for the New York session was a 200s, pushed up into the 220s, back into the VWAP, finding a lot of wicks here at the EMA, guys. Like I said, I think we could get a pullback towards these 110s. That 110 price is that previous day low, right? So that's the reason I like that. Somewhere in around these 105s. Kind of front run it a little bit towards these like 110s would be an ideal spot, I think. Turn my trade mode on. Somewhere in around these 110s could be an opportunity. Have an order placed down there. We'll see if we get a chance. Right now, the sellers are clearly stepping in, though. Looking a little bit stronger. Wicking at the VWAP, wicking at the EMA here. I would like a nice little quick pull into our price. Give us a fill. Give us a fill. Lots of battling at this daily price. Deciding which way this candle wants to print. Here we go, Nasdaq, trying to break through the lows. Will we get any extension? Good morning, TLR. Welcome in, King. Let's get focused today. Let's get paid, guys. All we need is that 40%. Let's go. That's all we need, baby. 40%. Nasdaq's trying to hold this VWAP right now. We're getting some wicks below the EMA, so let's be patient. Market's only been open for 6 minutes. We have an hourly imbalance down here. Previous day low is around these 110, so I'd like to see an opportunity for that to hold. I think we dump. Good morning, mate. Welcome in, Sam Bowen. Appreciate you for being here, King. I think I first time seen your name chatter. Dave, good morning as well, King. You said we think we dump, eh? Where do you see us dumping to? I don't think it's a bad idea, but it's a pretty gross hourly wick. I will say that. Volume's looking a little slow. Trying to hold this daily print price. I want one opportunity towards these 110s, which is that previous day low. If we get stopped out for a quick rejection, we'll get in. We'll get out. We rejected the 4-hour high. Rejected the 4-hour high. We swept through an overnight high as well. So there's a lot of reasons we could find some selling here, but let's be patient. Like we said, market's only been open for 7 minutes. Daddy Trump's still on the mic, so it's up to us to just take it easy. Teasing that it wants to hold the VWAP here. It's teasing. News at 10 also. Let's go. W Insight GPT. Welcome in, Danny. Good morning, Queen. Love having you here as always. Let's get focused. Get paid today. Don't need to take anything crazy. Market's only been open for 7 minutes. We have a decent range. I like the pullback towards these 110s. We look like we're trying to hold the VWAP though. See what happens. That previous day low down towards these 100s, 110s would be looking nice. Right now, the Nasdaq's curling pretty nice off this VWAP. I'd almost be willing to short these 220 prices. I'm not gonna, but I would be almost willing to. We got to be more patient though. Let something really set up now. Let something really set up here. Nasdaq's trying to hold above this VWAP. We have an order down at these 110s, which is that previous day low. Trump's still on the mic, so don't take anything unnecessary. Still holding on the SPX 500s. Let's go, work. Mans is long on the SPX. That's a big position. Hope it plays out for you, King. Nice rejection back at these 20s. Like I said, I kind of liked. Only looking for high quality setups. These 200s seem interesting. This is the opening daily print price where we opened up from the New York session, finding some resistance here. Finding some resistance here, friends. Swept through the buy side already. Coming back down towards this VWAP now. Sellers defending those 220s. We had a feeling they could. I think we're going to get some selling right now. Potential long 132 to 77 is premium. 132 to 77. I think I'm right in the middle of your zone there, Pat, at the 110s. Looking for a previous day low. Sellers are coming in pretty aggressive now. About 20 points off of getting a fill. Can we get tapped in here? Caught that short. I'm out. Let's go, bro. Good trading, King. Like I said, I was kind of questioning those 220s too for a potential short, but I didn't get in. Great rejection here, though. I'm not going to lie, guys. Potential VWAP tap could offer an opportunity to get a short trade. It's a pretty gross rejection, I'm not going to lie. Below VWAP down there. Pretty strong. Market's been open for 11 minutes now. Good morning, Magno. Let's go, King. Welcome in, buddy. 80s short. Danny, what a queen. Always finding those spots. Yeah, I think I'm going to switch my bias here, guys. I want to short this previous swing high. If we get back up to this VWAP and this EMA, look for a rotation to the sell side. If we can get a pop back through there. Or we get to pull down towards the daily print price. So I have two trades on, two orders on that could get filled. Wouldn't mind a long attempt down at these 110s. Also wouldn't mind a short back at these 162s. So see if we get an opportunity for either side. Give us a touch and a go, Nazi. Come on, Queen. I'm up. I'm out. Up 250 on the day. Danny, good. Let's go. Good morning into that, huh? I love it, Queen. Amy, welcome in, King. Tapped into our short there. At the VWAP. Now we got to be patient, see if we can get a rotation back towards the sell side. I'm going to probably be exiting at these 110s, so we'll see if we can get this to hold. The longs start coming in and holding above these 172s. It's not going to look super good for us, so we want to see the EMA actually bounce through this VWAP now. Still want to see this potentially target those previous day lows down there. The way EMA is bouncing off the VWAP looks pretty aggressive, though. Looks pretty bullish, in my opinion. Wow. No joke, huh? Just an absolute beautiful buy candle off that price. Back into the 200s now. We got bamboozled again. Did we get bamboozled again? The buyers close above these twos. We're going to definitely be cooked. Want to see a rotation. Wanted to see potential previous day lows there. Danny is on fire. I love it. She really is. Trading really, really well, Danny. I'm at work chilling. We're super slow getting paid hourly to trade is pretty chill, LOL. I love it. Let's go, Pat. Getting paid to be at work is insane, King. Yeah, the EMA is bouncing off this VWAP, guys. Not my favorite setup there at all. Looking bullish through these opening print prices. Getting close to our 15-minute range. Let's get our box drawn up so we get a better visual of what's going on now. Get a better visual of what's going on. Here's our 15-minute range. NASDAQ looks like it's trying to hold through it. Again, EMA is bouncing off VWAP. That's a pretty decent buy signal in my opinion. Anything below the 200s is decently safe for us, but I'm going to be patient here. Not a fan of this gap that we just created back through the VWAP. Makes me think I should just close this. Makes me believe I should maybe just close this, family. We could get a nice, nasty buy volume candle through here. The longer we keep holding through this range like this. Look at the EMA trying to really curl and support now. We got to get an attempt at back towards it. Otherwise, I'm just going to have to close this and look for a rotation. Man, longs. I liked them. I just got looking for the 110s. A little too low, I guess. Up through these wicks, we get really in trouble. So, got to see a rotation back towards this, you know, premium price, towards these 170s. And consider closing. Volume slowing up a little bit, trying to break through. Got to see the reaction, though. Got to get an actual candle closure in our direction. Morning, everyone. Welcome in, Vic. Good morning, King. Here comes the long. Don't let it run too much. Take the L. Yeah, I'm going to have to. I mean, you know, at least try to see the top of the 15-minute range, give us a rejection, but want to see at least a top rejection of the 15-minute range attempt or a closure. Feels like we're going to go sweep the highs, though, here of the 15 minutes. Come on, NASDAQ. Be careful to us, you know what I'm saying? Be delicate. EMA is really... I'm getting a lot of buy signals, so I can't fade that. Same time, though, we are in a spot where the sellers could reject, so... Gotta be willing to sit on it. We're under the water now. Interesting battle here at these 200s, 220s. Got to really see us try to cut through these 200s now. Got to really see us try to cut through these 200s now. Longs look decent here. I'm not going to lie to you guys. There goes the sweep of the 15-minute range. If the candle closes above, I'm going to close this now. Only thing I want to see is a sweep of this range like we got, and now a rejection back towards the zone, but it's not really feeling like that's what we're going to get here. Closure below the range is decent. I'll keep it. Otherwise, we close above. I'm going to close. Nice pump from the longs. Are we going to get that rejection that we want to see here? You can see we're trying. NASDAQ wants to try to bid back inside of the range right now. Swept of the 15-minute high. Not enough to get me out of it yet then. See the reaction back towards the CMA. If we wick back and close again through there, I'm going to exit. But got a decent rejection sign from the sellers there. Just doing our best to try to read this, family. Below the 15-minute range is obviously in our favor. Want to see a rotation. Decent price back inside. The EMA is going to be our next clear obstacle here. Want to see another continuation candle just like that. Want to see another continuation candle just like that one. Get us back below this range. If we can get through the EMA, it's going to look okay-ish. 220s are going to be the obstacle, though. 200 at this EMA in the 220s. If we close back above the 15, I'm just going to take it. We don't have a whole lot of drawdown anyways, so. Yeah, we just hit DLL. Those accounts are gone. Wow. Just wow. Yeah, that's annoying. Very annoying. Longs are in it right now, at least consolidating around these prices. Good morning, Bobby. Welcome in, King. Buyers hold 150 to make new high day, but sellers at 200. Yeah, we're looking for the highs. 4-hour zone 196, 151. If we don't break out from 196 strongly, I'm not bullish. BBNW, let's go. Let's go, Pat. Just stopping by since I got my class today. Hey, have a great class, Bobby. We'll be missing you, buddy. Enjoy that education. Got to reset these accounts now, guys. Fucking shit. My wife trades on TradingView. I let her trade my MFF yesterday. She blew my account. She doesn't like Tradeify. Hey, well, she's just learning, Vic. You know what I mean? Give her some grace. She's just learning. Now for sell until we see the 300 sweep or the 275 and see sellers step in and see and then sell after, go back and retest. See a 300 sweep and then a retest the 275 for a short isn't a bad idea. Are they busted or they just hit daily loss? No, they're busted, Danny. I'm pretty sure they're busted. Yeah, so you can see drawdown auto is at 153 and these are at 120 now, so I gotta reset them. Fuck. Terrible, terrible, awful, terrible, bad. Feels not good. You know what I mean? Just feels not good. Gotta reset them, guys. Not the best trading out of us. Not ideal. Not great out of our fucking trading there, guys. I see that the select plan on daily payout, that must build buffer cap for withdrawal. See that, yeah, for the daily payout, there's a buffer per account. For the 50K aiming, it's 2,600. Look at this push now, guys. Or 2,100, actually, aiming is the 50K limit, and then the 150K is 36. Hey, at least we were completely wrong. I can take that. I don't mind being completely wrong, you know what I mean? TP smashed on the SPX 500 work. Come on. Drop a W for that man work. Hit a giant trade on the SPX. Let's go. I don't know how I ended up switching over from our bias there, King. I was looking for a rotation back towards that previous day low. We got to tap into what we get. The 128s. I wanted the 110s. Oh, it's painful. Oh, it's so painful. Not good, my friend. I'm glad you banked on that, though, work. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Painful. Now we're back at it. Excuse me. Like we never left. Now I just wait for sweep and react. If not, it's too late for me to step in longs. I missed the long from the 150. Yeah, that would have been a beautiful entry. Lately, when it moves, it's been moving. It's just going quick. Blusky isn't that expensive. Daily payouts. Blue sky. Will this be the day for the gap fillies? Maybe, Queen. I don't know if we get all the way up there, but we could. I know a lot of people got their eyes on it, so it's only a matter of time eventually, but we also know the market likes to mess us around before actually giving us clean deliveries like that. Right now, these longs are looking pretty clean. Any pullback towards these 200s would be an opportunity. Any pullback somewhat for now, me, would be around these 200s where we found that support continuously. Oh, it's feeling bad, family. Hey, this is trading, though. It's not a direct, easy game. We all know it. So, I'll take it from me this time. All right, we're reset. Ready to load up. Today is a V-shape complete. We make the high at Asia and now at London, and then a new high on New York. So market makers show that you switch to the buyer side. I like that, I mean. I am also ready to switch to the long side here. I got to reset my Tradeify real quick, guys. Got to reset the old Tradeify real quick, really fast, Manage groups. Let's do it again. Jeez Louise, biscuits and badness. You know what's funny to think about too, which I don't always think like this, but I have been. I made $9 grand on those other accounts, right? To pass them. Ended up only losing 2,300 and then busted them because we got our drawdown updated. So we had 23. So I made, wait a minute. TDLs. This is correct, right? Yeah. So I made $9 grand, lost 2,300, and then ended up busting them. Or actually, no, it was 2,700. My fault. Lost 2,700, so we were still up a little bit. And then yesterday made 3,600. So now we're back above that 9,000 threshold, and then lost again. But now we're, spending combine money after technically being up quite a bit of money on the account. So it's just, we know it. It's just trading. But man, oh man, oh my. Look at the long stepping in right now, family. Holy. I think it's going to reverse around the 305s. Wow, that's awesome, King. Welcome in, Lorraine. Welcome in, Queen. 305s could give us an opportunity, but right now the longs, I would not be trying to fade them. I'd be looking for a nice pullback to get into a long position here. Which blue sky do you like? Yeah, it's a great question, Corey. I've never heard of them. How much are 5 combines? 150K. Espresso. If you buy them with the code, without the code, it's like $315. It's like $1,700 without the code, but with the code, it's $1,075. So you save like $600-700. So it's $1,075 for 5 Tradeify 150Ks. Code TFF, baby. Welcome in though. Is Lucid if you get to 52K, the drop to 50K, are you out, or do you still have to? You still have till 48K? I think still 48K. Actually, no, that's not true. It's 50K, I think, at Magna. I think it will update your price to 50K. Look at the long stepping in here to the 330s, guys. Incredible. I mean, this is what you wanted to see. Just wanted a better opportunity down at the VWAP. Obviously, got killed. Forgot to sell, damn, until we break back 275 of momentum. Yeah, forget the selling. Absolutely. Great advice, Amy. Longs are in right now. 50K launch plan is like $29 on promo now for the eval. Do they pay out, though, Dave? I've never really heard of them too much, so be cautious with new prop firms like that. Fantastic long off the 132s. If you caught a 132 long, incredible. Incredible, Pat. Proud of you. Now it will be hard to find the entry to ride along. Yes and no. Yes and no, Queen. For the most part, you know we have long support, so really all you got to do is find a decent pullback price. Possibly these 230s, maybe the 200s, maybe the 220s. Couple spots, top of the 15-minute range. Couple places we could find some support, so. Blue sky always pays. Oh, shit, I like that. Same as TPT. Let's go, Dave. Dropping some insight for us, guys. Blue sky, cheap evals right now for 50K, $29. Check them out if you guys haven't. Yo, Ty, my man, how are you? Spitzy, good morning, King. Let's go. Been a while. Doing well, man. Doing well. Trading these 150Ks, trying to pass some. Tradeify 150, just blew them. Just had a tough period there, so. Wasn't stellar, but we're back. We're ready to do it. Now the setup is price hit the 350, then option 1, take a short. Correction, move to 300, 275, but risk. Option 2, long at 275. Option 2 is longing at 275 or potentially shorting the 275s. Or if we get a pullback to the 350s, short the 340s. Wait, what did you say, you mean? 350, take a short. You like a short of the 350s, huh? It's counter trend, so be cautious, but I don't mind it. Keep on smashing that like button for my brother Ty. 30 likes is the goal. We for sure can do it, family. We can absolutely do it, family. There's 44 people watching. If just 66% of you smash that love button, we get to our 30 like goal. It means a lot. I appreciate every single one of y'all for being a part of this community, though. Truly, we have the best community around. No doubt about it. Don't you worry. You got it, my man. Let's go, Spitzy. How you doing? How's the trades been going for you, King? Yep, 132 is the price I called out. How's the top of that premium, you said? Pat, that would have been a wild position. Someone give me an account to trade. My analysis has been on it recently. Pat, you have been. You've been crushing it. I took all the longs in my 0TD option account. Took 1K profit. Yes, sir, Spitz. Come on, baby. Racking in those dollars. Good entry, good exit. Proud of you. You doing TT today, too? Yes, sir, Matt Max. We're on TikTok today. People are popping in, saying hi, but no one's... Well, people are popping in and then popping out. I'm not really... I don't know. Not really sure how I feel about TikTok live streaming right now. Not sure how I feel about it. You feel me? Yeah, I take both moves, but based on my stats of the day, I'm down. I'm on drawdown or profit. PR is the first trade. I like that, Amy. Corey demands on your budget, but the 200K static is nice. They have static accounts too. I mean, it sounds like they're pretty decent for blue sky there. Potential long at 307s or 264s, but she might blast past these fibs if she goes down. Here come those 350s. No way, Deontay. Holy shit, King. Welcome in. Haven't seen it in a while. Long time no see, King, indeed. Hope you're doing well, man. Hope the light's been treating you well. It's cool to see you stopping by. You on TikTok live right now? Yeah, Spitzy. We're on TikTok live right now, trying it out. We'll see how it goes. Maximilian's here. Music is a bit louder here. Hey, I appreciate that. Let's update that then, huh? How's that, Spitzy? Any better? Drop the likes, guys. 17 more. Good morning. Been here up 440. Up 440. Let's go, Wildflower. Good trading, Queen. I'm going to be patient. Try to maybe get a rotation, but I mean a little too loud. Harder to hear you. A little too loud. Is it not better now that I turned it down? I'll turn it down again then, King. I'll probably turn it down again then here. Is that any better? Mad Max? Any better there at all? Hopefully you can hear my voice more. We getting to smash the like button, folks. Smash that like button, family. Trying to get those 30 likes per stream. Y'all been amazing, showing love every day. There's 40 people in here. Just tapped into the EMA there. Yep, I'm probably getting banned from Top Step soon. Laugh my ass off. No way. Deonta, you been trading, King? You been trading, bro? Are you serious? Do you get the FTP program email? The warning saying you're trading too many accounts. Hey, we're allowing you to trade this many accounts, but if you do that, we're not going to like it. It's like, what the? W Wildflower for deed, Pat. Way to show love. Now the 4-hour candle closes. The new candle, did we drop down, making the new lows, or the candle go up again? Strong hourly candle closure there. I mean, that is bullishness at the end of the day. So we can't fade it all the way, family. Can't fade it all the way. What happened with your trade, Ty? I missed it. We just got canned on it. It was just a one and done there, Pat. I was looking to see a top of the 15-minute candle rejection, so we came back, and this next one here busted us out of there. Starting to reject these 40s a little bit, guys. Mad Max showing so much love. Truly means the most, King. I got a 5,000 payout, and after they look like a $1,200 on Combine startups, so I did a chargeback. Wait. And after they took a $1,200 on Combine startups. $1,200 from my debit from nothing. 8 new accounts in 4 days. Weird, bro. That's weird, Deontay. They don't usually do that. Usually they might have refunded you if it was super weird. They're usually pretty decent about that. Try to get you back in the algo. I appreciate you, Max. It means a lot, King. Let's see a rejection towards these 40s. Always breach the account after 3 payouts. Don't let you move you to live or we get banned. Yeah, don't let them move you to live. Sorry, King. Brush it off. Let's get it. Pat, I love your energy lately, King. Let's get it, bub. Pure positivity. Pure momentum. Let's see some rejection towards these 342s. Max, your work's paying off. People are popping through. Yeah, that's crazy to hear, though, Deontay. How long you been trading, King? Pretty cool. Pretty wild. 300s. Amin said he liked the 350 rejection and then a retest of that price. Right now, longs just look in control. VWAP's curling aggressively to the 182s. Up about 30 points already. Short on NQ. He's short in the NQ right now. I don't mind that. Be cautious, though. We have these flat prices above since October 1. And you already grabbing payouts. That's pretty sick, man. Be proud of that. Be proud of that. 343 is premium of shorts. Let's see if it's a reaction or if buyers roll through. If we sweep through this range, like a sweep through, I'll take a short on the retest of the price. So if we sweep through and don't close strong, I'll take an attempt. Kind of risky because the strength is clear, but we'll see what we can do about it. Another rejection towards these 340s. I want to see one sweep of these flat price and I can get in. If we see a sweep of these 42s. Platform are you trading on? This is Tradeify, King. So I'm trading Tradeify and trading with Tradeify. Fully recommend them. You can get daily payouts. Way cleaner. Way better. Top Step, I was trading with them for a while. Made like almost 100 grand with them. And then they canned me. because they put me on the FTP program, which is pretty much what they do to people that are making money from them. But again, like I said, it's cool that they still allow you to trade one account. When other prop firms ban you, they don't let you trade any accounts. So they still offer you some leverage. You just got to build it all the way back up again. Try Tradeify if you haven't yet, though, Deontay. Not a bad prop firm. I like them a lot. And you got to get used to Tradeify, but I actually like Tradeify a lot now that I'm used to it. When I first got onto Tradeify, it was like, I don't know. But now I'm used to it and enjoy it quite a bit. Rounding out this EMA here. Let's see what happens. Do you have a code I can use? Yes, sir, we do. TFF, baby. Trading for freedom. You can. I just bought these 150K's and it saved me like $140 per account, so it's pretty worth it. The 150K is like 340 or like 350 or something like that, and then I put it in the code and it's like 215. So pretty stellar. I think they have a 40% off thing right now, anyways. I like the data speed of Tradeify. All the others seem laggy to me. I kind of agree, man, Max. Like, it does feel very up to date. It's similar to the way the Top Step felt with Project X, but like just more clean, more professional. What's the payout rule and drawdown? The payout rule, if you do the select daily accounts, there's two different plans, which is one of the things that Tradeify did. It's kind of a little bit different than everyone else. It's like revolutionary. They have the normal flex accounts, which are growth accounts, which is normal Top Step. You have to have 5 days over the buffer, and you can then take out 3K max. But I trade the select daily accounts, so all you have to do is it's the 3-day pass, which is different. You can only pass the accounts in 3 days, 40%, 40%, 20%. But once you get through there, you can take out payouts every single day. So that part's nice, and you just got to get over the buffer of, for the 150Ks, it's 36. For the 50K, it's 2100. And yeah, you get over the buffer, you can take out anything above that buffer in your payout, in your bank account every single day. And the drawdown is normal, 4,500. Or actually, it's 3,500. My bad. No, it's 4,500. It's 4,500 for the 150K, and it's 2, I believe, with the 50s. I'd have to confirm that. Going sideways here at the top, family. I still like longs better. So if we could get a pull back in towards like these 260s, I'd take an opportunity at it. Price starting to slow down. Indeed, it is, Amin. I wanted to try Tradeify for some reason. They don't accept any of my credit card, including MasterCard and Amex, so I just gave up, LOL. Spitzy, that's weird, King. It wouldn't be because of your country, would it? Very strange. Do you own any stocks or just trade futures? I don't right now. I am looking to start investing my funds into long-term holds and like start holding, you know, long-term index funds. Basically boring, just holding it for a couple decades is kind of my direction. And I'm actually going to be doing that starting this year. Here come a rejection towards these 300s. Let's see what happens now. Price slowed up at those 342s. Pat, you nailed it again, King. You're trading one account right now? No, I'm trading 5 accounts, Deontay. Got 5 150Ks on right now. That's what this account group is. So trading 5 accounts. Just buy NVIDIA and Apple. Those are the winners right now. No doubt about it. But I'm looking to see getting it long index funds. You did call that out. Did you get in? Pat called it out too with those 343s. We never got to the 43s. Started rounding out. I still think we find some buy side here, but maybe we get a pull back in towards these prices. I'd like to see like really cleanly. Obviously, previous swing high would be obvious and easy. Around these 260s could be an opportunity. So it'd be like my next like obvious spot here. Real live data per tick. Amy, I mean, Mad Max, you're just the man, King. Nah, I need to find a new platform to trade. Trust me, man. Tradeify. Try Tradeify and try Tradeify. The daily payouts are insane. I want something with a daily payout. Yeah, try Tradeify, King. Select daily accounts. That's what I made. I made 11 grand in December trading them. Quick daily payouts, Now I'm trying to get back in with the 150K's. Let's see what happens here at the highs at the 42s. Volume still picking up here for the longs. They held the support at the 300s. Could be interesting. Might get a sweep of this flat price up here and then a rejection back in the zone. I'll take a short. That'd be short confirmation for me. Quick scalp from the 300s. From the longs. Great job, Danny. Really good stuff. I was questioning it myself, but we got to see what actually plays out. Jeremy, good morning, King. Appreciate you as always for stopping by, showing love. Appreciate you every time, King. Family, there's 34 people watching. We need 30 likes for our goal of 30 per stream. If y'all are here showing love, being a part of this community, finding any value, it means a lot. Go ahead and smash that love button. Let's get to that goal. I appreciate every single one of y'all. This community is absolutely untouchable. I'm trading TPT and you get daily payouts. TPT has daily payouts. I think MFF just offered a new daily payout plan. I think those are the ones. I think a lot of people wanted the Lucid Black to be a daily payout, but they don't offer that. So just interesting. Is your bias long or short? Definitely bias, Magna. 100% long bias. 100% looking for the longs. Just got to find a nice pullback. Hey, Wildfly, how you been? Let's go, Danny. TP is a trailing stop loss. Yeah, it is, which is not ideal for me. It makes it a lot trickier to trade. TPT is good once you are above the buffer unfunded. They have a trailing drawdown buffer. Exactly, Dave. Yeah, that trailing drawdown makes it really tough. You have to have a very specific strategy to trade trailing drawdowns. Ty, you know if you can trade different firms and Tradeify? Yes, you can, Brom. It's you can trade a lot of different firms to Tradeify, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure mostly all of them, actually, King. So, some prop firms will ban you if you are profitable. Yeah, Vines. They will. Most of them, actually. If you're too profitable. Most of them have, like, a payout cap. So, like, if you make 100 grand, they won't let you keep trading them. They just got to be, you know, protecting themselves. I think MFF's payout cap before they'll kind of turn you off is 100 grand. Top Step seems to be 100 grand. Once I made 100 grand, I got put in their FTP program. Apex is a little bit more specific. If you start crushing their accounts, that can do it to you at any moment. I don't know all the people, but it's a very common thing in the industry. Again, you got to think about it. They're a business, right? They're trying to protect themselves. There's a 243s, 246 sweep of the highs. I'm going to try it now. Rotation back in towards these prices. Nice rejection there to 40s. Danny, what a nice scalp. Hear ye, kings and queens. It's a good day to have a good day. My man sobs. Love the energy, brother. Let's go. Hope you're feeling great. Hope you're doing well. Hope Isla's doing happy things. Crawling all around. Come on, NQ, play for the brother. Let's go. Doesn't make sense because they should be making money alongside you, so they lose money from paying. It doesn't really make a lot of sense. I agree, Mad Max. It's like, it's just weird. It's just weird stuff.
Order filled.
Looking to see a tap of this rejection of these previous highs. Looking for a short move. Not going to look for a lot here. We start pulling in towards like these 350s, just like that. I'm going to have to close this for a quick scalp. If we don't close through these, if we close through these 350s, I'm out. Longs are just looking completely dominant right now. And just like that, they're finding some extension into the 60s. My goodness. In the 70s. All right, NASDAQ. Okay, I get it. What a volume spike. Oh my goodness, huh? I want to see a little bit of a reaction here. For the most part, that is a very aggressive candle. Like, I get it, Nazi. You want to go to the highs. Just do it then. Jeez. Not going to get completely spooked yet. Going to be a little bit more patient. Stops are going to be above this new swing high here. 515 stops. Want to see a rotation. We push back in towards this demand, this price. It's going to look decent. Might just take it for a little $1,000 loss, though. Let ourselves rotate again. Yeah, I'm just going to close that. I'm going to close that for a $500 loss. Gross. Gross reaction there. Bull flag playing. Got some crazy group on GC last night. 4 to 5 days on the XFA is looking healthy. My guy, Saab. So proud, King. That payout's loading. Can't wait to see it. Mad Max, welcome in, King. Maxi, million. First day on Max FA's, 52.90 by 5. My man, printing dollars. 471 would be the bottom of the gap on NQ. Are you in a trade? I was in a trade, Deontay. Took a $500 loss here at the tops. Orange man paid me. Took those longs, huh? Let's go, Maxi. Proud of you, King. Happy for you. Wow, no respect to sell premium. Longs are in. Do not fade them. Yeah, no respect. Makes sense. We had fantastic selling yesterday. We did, and we had fantastic selling just in general. And we obviously have cleared buy side above. There's pretty much flat prices here at the 430s. Feel like we're going to head there. So look at me. Didn't even have to give up that $500. Tricky, tricky NASDAQ. Tricky, tricky NASDAQ. Makes me think we're going to keep finding some selling now. New video was fire. Hey, come on, Saab. Nothing but love. You're always showing love. Truly means the most, King. Hallelujah. $31,000 makes me holla. Let's go, Dave. Show some love to Max. Man, crushed it. 5,100 in 5 accounts is badass. Or no, 5,305. My fault. I've been trying out Bookmap. It's nice for scalping. Yeah, I like a footprint chart. A little heat map chart. They're not bad. Pull back into these 330s, finding some more continuation attempts. NASDAQ just looking insanely bullish. I feel like right now we might get a small rotation, but it's feeling interesting. Wow, I was way off on that math, but 26 still makes me holler. It was quick mental math. We're not judging Dave. Not at all. We are very much in discount prices with last week fib lines. I know. That's why I wanted this initial short too off a retest of the high, and then we just get a nasty volume spike against us. Now we're trying to hold this EMA. It does feel as though after that giant volume spike, that was the most buy volume right there, and we couldn't push through. So I kind of want to fade it, but I might just wait for a retest of this price if we reject it again. Might be the better short. Like right now. Ironically. I'll try it one more time, guys. I'll try it one more time here at these 340s. See if we can get a fill before NASDAQ dies. Looking for a small scalp. Just a small one. See if we can get a tap and go. Fill us up at these 340s, Nazi. Still going to be counter trends, so it's not our favorite, but come on. Stop teasing us. I feel like we're going to get some sell side here. Below the EMA means I might not get a fill. Looking for the 337s for a short entry. Exact same price I was just in at, essentially. Had to wait for confirmation. Can we get there, Nazi? Tap me in. Give me a little tap-a-rooney. A little tap, a cheese. It could go down to the 265s, I think. What's up, King? What's up, Paul? Welcome in, brother. Means a lot that you're stopping through, showing love. Tap me in, Nazi. Oh, just tap me in. You're going to leave without me, huh? Golly. Golly. We were so close. 336.75. We were a point off of getting the fill. Incredible. Incredible, NASDAQ. Oh, incredible NASDAQ. Only if it doesn't hold, though. Yeah, that's the fear, of course. Now I'm like, ooh, it's kind of a gross little fill right there. Now we're in, but longs are kind of trying to show some support here. Anything above this swing high is not really in my favor. I want to see a rejection of this price pretty quickly. Fill that wick back out. Decent little wick, but honestly, not our favorite. Let's see some selling here, Nazi. Let's see some selling down here, NASDAQ. I want to see this previous swing high start finding some support. If the long step through here, it's going to get just like that. Nasty. Wow. I mean, you just can't fade these guys today. Gotta have my safest stop would be above this new swing high, but it's a pretty gross reaction there after just touching into the 320s. It's incredible. It is incredible. This one feels like we're going for high a day. Back above the EMA, back above this new swing support price. I don't even know where we would really look for a safety. Again, stops have to be like realistically above this new swing high, but it just feels awful. We just keep reaching here, huh? Feels like we're just going to keep reaching here. EMA, I mean, the VWAP's back up to the 200s now, so that's really strong. I wanted to see a rotation back towards like these 250, 260s, but right now, NASDAQ is holding above these 340s, 357, disrespecting almost all sell side. Another volume spike, huh? Cucking bad. 50% of the day could work. We should sell move here now or not. We go down. 325 hold is not good. I mean, it's not good, is it? Yeah. Here comes a high a day, it feels like. It's going to be a volume spike, and then from there it's going to carry through. Just disrespecting all sell side is incredible. But it does make sense. I mean, we're completely down on the week, guys, so kind of just improper to be trying to trade against it. Yeah, that's not a good closure for our position in any capacity. Come on, sellers. Bring this towards this EMA. Realistically, might as well just... I just want to see the swing of this top and keep reject. But, man. Balance. There is no balance today. Today's just buy. Today's just a buy day. Today's just a buy the market day. Here comes the EMA again. Look at the strength. I mean, this is just one-sided. This is just one-sided, family. It's not good. Nothing telling me that we're going to sell, really. Only thing is we're just super extended into these 370s, so below this previous wick isn't the worst to see us try to defend, but it's not looking great. Got to see a BBNW to cut through this EMA. EMA is going to be a really interesting price that we could just trampoline right off of. Decent rejection of those 370s again, but don't want to see this hold this EMA. Got to see no wick through there. If we start wicking at it, it's going to get ugly. That's an ugly wick. Wow, guys. I mean, the buyers are just clearly dominant today. Look at the wick. Holy shit. Sellers are trying, and there's just nothing there. Sellers are trying, and there's just nothing there for them to play off of. Buyers are bidding every single candle. Let's see this thing cut through here right now. See this try to cut through this EMA. Got to actually get it to hold through. Another wick would be unideal. Want to see one candle closure through there. Yeah, look at the wicks, man. It is insane. We're going to the buy side, guys. It's really that simple. There it is. Another support of that price. Taking out the highs now. There's a sweep of it. Volume's going to carry through. If we don't reject back in here, we're cooked. I mean, that's not even that much volume, and it's still just finding higher prices easily. Sell through there, NASDAQ. EMA is just a launch pad. And let's look at this trend line as well. I mean, this is what we're... Oh my God, what was that? This is what we're holding. Tapped into the 390s there. Ugh, gross. Can you make a tutorial video on how to use the platform you trade on, please? I'll definitely share it and be your first like. Yeah, I could help you out, Deontay. If you set it up right now, I can also just kind of walk you through here live, and we can have the community help you out as well. Although a lot of people have actually asked for that Tradeify setup, so. This is incredible to watch. This is incredible to watch, guys. This is what happens when there's buy side above and the NASDAQ sold off ridiculously strong. They just keep bidding. I mean, this is what happens. We had nothing but longs for so long. And so now we're getting into this momentum. Even if we get a pullback towards this zone, we're really not looking strong here. That is the first hour. So this is the official first hour of the market. Well, we only have a couple $100, so these are probably going to be cookied. There it is. There's that 400 tap. Feels like we're going to go see those 430s so easily. These 430s just feel like a lock. My goodness gracious, my. Fucking word, man. Yeah, I don't have any words, guys. Tough, awful, bad. Just so awful. painful. Longs are killing it. 330 points already. Longs are just, I mean, yeah. From the bottom, just pure strength. Pure strength. Look at it. There's just nothing but. Look at this hourly candles. I mean, you just can't even make it up. Pure strength. Into the 4.7s, 4.8s. Like I said, the 4.30s feel like a lock here. Just keep reaching into the 4.10s. Insane. Okay, I'll do that. Do you recommend me getting a 50K account or a 150? Deontay, that really depends on your couple things, man. Like your experience, number one. How comfortable are you with extra size? If you're trading the 150K, you're gonna have to trade like 1 to 3 to 5 minis. So if you're comfortable with doing that, then you can try those out. If you're not, I would go with 50K, and also depending on your strategy, you know what I mean? 3 more likes, guys. Drop the likes, please. Pat, you're the man. Did you fade longs again? LOL. Put my head down. Yes, I did. Oh, I did, bro. Damn, I unliked the LIV on accident. Damn, I unliked the live. Light that thing up, Deontay. Come on, King. Price looked good from yesterday's high. All good, man. I appreciate it, Pat. Just straight up to the 70s. I think 460s, I bet. 460s bottomed out. At least the 30s. We're going to go at least take out this easy liquidity up here. From the 30s, it could find some selling reaction. I just am so shocked by this. I don't know why. I mean, this is just market movement. But also, look at this one account that hasn't busted, even though we're $1,000 past drawdown. Interesting. Oh, tough day, guys. I haven't done this in a long time. Awful, 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 awful. All you had to do was hit the buy side at any point. Danny, that 300 scalp that you thought was just a scalp, you could have rode that for 130 points. Crazy. Crazy. But thank you all so much for getting us so close to the light goal. Truly means a lot, family. Today, obviously, it sucks because this is definitely my worst trading day of 2026, but that's also just the way it happens, you know what I mean? Some days you crush, some weeks you crush. We had a really good week last week, even though we didn't get out of it, and now we're back into the struggle bus, so this is a good lesson for us. All we can do is pick our head up, try again, you know what I mean? Feels painful, feels bad, but it's just another day, so we'll make it out. Just keep showing up. Somehow profited from a short today. Brom, you're an absolute demon for that. You're a demon for that. Short here at the 320s. That was the only one I was like. And then the one time I hesitated on the short today, I'm like, 320s, but I'm hesitating on it. The one time I hesitate on the short, it fucking is the one that prints. The ones that I just take all day just get smushed. It's hilarious almost. You did fantastic on the previous 150K, so hold your head high. You're a great trader. Pat, that's my man right there. Showing love all the time. Gonna, oh my goodness gracious. Look at this account into the 430s. Officially now, sorry, all this buy side has been swept. Officially now, we swept through those 30s, so crazy reaction. Just insane. There go the 40s. That's another sweep there. Look at the account that isn't busting, guys. Check it out. What? What is going on? You could have absolutely cooked. Could have got absolutely cooked. I did get absolutely cooked. I know, it's wild, isn't it, Max? I'm not sure why it's just chilling there. Imagine it comes all the way back down now, and we get to get money out of it. I wonder what would happen. Unless it's busted, it just hasn't told us yet. It's all good, brother. Just remember, you're going to Hawaii and taking your fam because of trading. That's an insane achievement in my books. I love it, Sabs. You're the man, King. Nah, I'm so blessed, so grateful, so excited. Family vacation, funded by NASDAQ. Truly feels so special. So, again, it's just a little bit frustrating. These are my... now the second set of combines I had to purchase for 2026, but hey, we keep it going, baby. This is the thing that we all need to remember. the end of the day, it's the direction that you're heading, not the short-term results. For 2026, I'm down $2,000. I can say that. I've blown $2,000 on combines in 2026, but I ended 2024 and 2025 profitable. So we just got to keep the momentum, knowing that we'll end 2026 profitable too. It just takes time. You got to hold out through the swings, and there go the 450s, guys. This account is insane. It just isn't busting, so I wonder if I can just hold it forever and see if this position will come back to us. Kind of weird, huh? Unless it's busted, it just hasn't told us yet. It's going to be weird. Leave that one account alone and put a TP on a 3,600 profit. NQ will come back to balance eventually. Exactly. It has to, right? So what is it? 37. So I would need 77, 277. So I would need a little bit lower, like 272 or 270. So I'll put it down here like the 265s, 268, 269. 515 limit. We'll see. Order rejected, but you have me order in there. So why are you doing that? You know what I mean? We'll see what happens. I'm long these 20s to the gap, hopefully. I like it, Queen. Be cautious. I don't know if we go fill all the way up there, but honestly, we very much could. The buyers are stepping in, so. Where is the Hawaii trip? When is the Hawaii trip? March 2nd. So March 2nd, I'm going to be, that's Monday. I won't be streaming March 2. I'm going to be on the plane, and I'm not going to be streaming March 9th because I'm coming on the plane coming home. But the days in between there, that Tuesday to Friday, I'm going to be here 4 days. I'm going to be hanging out with y'all from Island Stream, baby. Island Stream. It's going to be March 2nd. So I'll be on stream March 3rd to March 8th. Or no, March 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th, and the weekend. Tradeify accounts separately, down total of $90. Nice risk management day for me. GPT, I'm actually so proud of that. And you should be too, King. Insane to get out of today with $90. After, if you're, I'm assuming you're taking shorts, so fantastic risk management. Anybody that hit the long button today, congratulations. Proud of you guys. You read the markets well. Funded by NASDAQ. Wow, dude, so incredible. It is really special, Pat. I'm really so grateful. You gonna do some surfing over there? Do some surfing, bro. Hit the waves. I'm so excited. I've never surfed, and I've wanted to forever, so I'm super excited about that. Do a little snorkeling, a little hiking, a little beach time. Obviously, food, friends, family. So it's gonna be nothing but special. I'm thinking after a few more payouts, getting 5 more funded and shooting for $150 to $200. That's $1,500 to $2,000 a day. That's a fantastic goal, GPT. W30 likes. Y'all smashed the like button goal. As always, truly so special. Thank you, family. Even on a day like today, my worst trading day of 2026, y'all show up, pick me up with the likes. Always in here showing love, being a part of this community. So thank you, guys. Truly, thank you. Hawaii stream. Hawaii stream is going to be special. A little island stream. Hawaii will be so fun. Have you ever been before? Never, Danny. Just always wanted to. So I'm really looking forward to it. Always wanted to, just never have, so I'm really looking forward to it. Excuse me. What's up, bro? James, welcome in, King. Hope you're feeling awesome, doing great. Hope you took longs today. I hope you took longs today, brother. Make $500 from the first spike, but too happy to lose the next 500 from the next one. Sorry to hear it, Alfie, but good trading. Be patient. Join those longs. At this point, I wouldn't know how to touch this. We took a lot of liquidity. I guess you could be trading for the highs, like Danny's trying to look into the break of that gap, but I wouldn't know how to trade this. So be cautious, Alfie. But hey, good trading to be out, break even on the day like today. You have to wear goggles. The water is salt, burned my eyes last time. GPT, you been there? That's amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna wear some goggles when I'm surfing, or probably not when I'm surfing, but when I'm snorkeling. It's just another day that ends in Y, boss. That's the king mindset right there. Just another day today, baby. Hey, what is the Lightning account for? It says it gets funded indefinitely. It's instant funded, Deontay. So if you take that account, which the code still works for, I think. But if you take that account, you just don't have to do any combines. So you don't have to go through this evaluation phase. You just immediately get funded access, and you could hypothetically make money the next day. Except that one, I think, has different requirements. So you have to have like 5 winning days to take a payout out of, but it's instant funding, so you don't have to go through the combine stage. Would love to go sometimes. It looks so beautiful. It feels so special. I cannot wait. Dude's gonna take a trip to Zinalulu, little Zimbabwe. Made 460 on my 2 funded accounts on True Trades today. Think I'm gonna lock it out there. Trump talking plus low news day. Tomorrow we ride. Hey, way to get out of there with a W. Proud of you, Corey. Trading for tomorrow, King, is the way to be longevity. Fucking amazing, man. You've been having a great start to 2026 as well, so proud of you. Saucy heard that island is top tier. Little Zinalulu, come on. Hey there, finished work and blew my account after making it halfway through. I have to review my errors and learn from them. We will come back stronger every single time, Richner. We come back stronger every time, King. Appreciate you. Keep that head up. It's just another day. Another day that ends in Y, as the King once told me. Many have a consistency rule. Just be sure you understand that instant account consistency rules. Definitely. Shout out Corey for that. How much do instant funding cost, and why don't you do them? It's just more expensive, and I don't know. I guess I've never thought of it to try them, Magno, truthfully. Yeah, I don't know. I just have always traded combines, and I'm used to it. I'm used to an evaluation phase, so it's a good question. So close to my TP, LOL. What are you trying to get out at? It's the top of the break, so you're looking for the 72s, 72 roughly, Queen. Bro, I just hit me the food. It's gonna be insane, bro. Just hit me the food. It's gonna be insane. I cannot express how truly excited I am to be smacking on some Hawaii grub. The luau, the pokey. It's like fish jerky. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Yeah, the food there is gonna be unreal. 68s, super close, Danny. Still coming for you, Queen. I have faith. Buddy gets to go grab a wild coconut. Absolutely out of line. Go grab a wild coconut, take a rock, smash it open, and drink some straight up natural coconut juice. Wowzers. Is that what you did? What you mean, Deontay? What do you mean, King? Oh, never mind. Danny, still coming for your profits. Here we go. Get up there for the Queen. Get to a 67 or 60. What'd you say? 68. Get up to the 68s. It's coming for you right now. 63s. 4s. Teasing us. I want to see it for you. You're going to get a round of golf in, right? So, Sub, I'm not sure, King. Because obviously, Hawaii. I've heard island golf is incredible. Specifically, Hawaii golf. My boss grew up there, so he was telling me a lot of things, do's and don'ts. And he said that the golfing there is so special. But, Danny, full TP! But I won't. No one else is going to be there with me. No one else is going to be there playing with me. So I don't know if I want to go play a round of it by myself. And, let's go, Danny. So proud of you, Queen. Great entry off those 20s into the 68s there. Fucking amazing. There's just Jurassic Park golf there. There's that Jurassic Park golf course. Again, it's like I'm going to be the only one doing it. I don't want to, like, necessarily take time away. And then I don't want to fly my clubs down, so I have to rent clubs. And it's like, I don't know, Subs. It feels crazy to say I won't, but I don't know if I will. 322 on the day. Think I'm done. Lock that in, Queen. Stellar week, stellar job out of you. You truly have been marching your way through, and I'm so fucking proud of you. One moment you were doubting everything, the next moment you're doing the best you've ever done. That is trading. Fuck yeah. So encouraging. Let's go, Queen. Yeah, but you're going to get paired up with a couple of local island legends. They're going to give you the island scoop of the island. Damn. Straight facts, Sub. I didn't think of it like that. Way to show love to the Queen, guys. This is the community that we love. We built this. So proud of everybody picking each other up, showing support, doing it for each other. Literally like 2 weeks later, she funded and about to get paid. So close. She was at her lowest, and now she's at her highest. Can you guys define trading? Anything else like that? Keep that momentum, keep that energy, keep the positivity, keep the mindset, because that truly is trading, guys. which is why, you know, like I said, we ended 24 profitable. We ended 2025 profitable. And right now in 2026, to start the new year, I'm down $2,000 in these combines through combine fees. But we're going to be profitable. You just keep that momentum. You keep that belief. Thank you, guys. Well-deserved, Queen. Count balances at 668 is incredible. Make sure you set a PDL and keep going. Stay confident. Let's go. Stay confident. Fantastic quote. And 31 likes. Great momentum in this room. W's all around. Let's go, Corey. Truly love y'all. This community is so special. We ride, we die, we learn together. And right now, we're trading for freedom. And that's all we can do. What a blessing. What an opportunity. And now we officially did tap into that gap fill. I am shocked. I am unbelievably just wow. Just unbelievably wow. Check it out, guys. I mean, you can't even... All we had to do was hit the buy button today. You know what I mean? So easy, so special. Hit that buy button. You had a chance to get paid. So we took a loss today, but we come back tomorrow stronger. It is what it is. We're not wavered. But we saw the gap fill, family. We saw the direction. Right now, we're just kind of hanging out at the highs. Not a lot to do, not a lot to say. I'm going to go ahead and close stream today. Lick my wounds. Get my mindset right for tomorrow to load back up and do it all over again. Everybody stopping in, showing love, saying hi today. Truly, thank you so much. Congratulations to everyone that traded well. Danny, so proud of you. Corey, way to get out of there with some monies. Everyone that did well. I know Work did well. Maximilian made some money today. So, really, super happy for you guys. So grateful for this community. I love every single one of y'all. Take it easy. Drink some sun. Get some water. Hug somebody you love. Be ready to trade tomorrow. We do it all over again, all right? I appreciate y'all. Take it easy. Peace.